I actually just feel like a buff gym girl when I wear black shorts and oversized tees. Is that what I am? I don't know.
Would you like the good news or the bad news?
Cheers to that.
I'm a big fan.
No!
To hand in my rental application. Good morning friends, happy Monday and welcome back to another weekly vlog. I'm currently leaving my parents' house because I went to print off a couple of things. I have a sleeve full of documents and information because I'm currently heading to a real estate agent's office to hand in my rental application. If you watched last weekly vlog, you would have seen me tour this place and I've decided to apply for it. I feel like me handing in this application on a Monday morning could really make this week be anything. It could either be packing up my whole house this week, or I could be going to more open houses and handing in more rental applications for the rest of the week. I feel like I have no reason to deny my rental application for this one. In saying that, this is the first place I've rented on my own and I'm self-employed as well, so I don't know if that's a thing that people look at and be like, oh no. Instead of handing in pay slips from my employer, my accountant's written them a letter which is just so random, being like, George, I can't afford this, which is just interesting to me. So fingers crossed they accept me, because I don't really want to go to more open houses and fill in more applications and go through this hassle for more than one property. That's my update. It's currently 10 a.m. and I'm just ready to go to the gym. So when I'm finished at the real estate agent office, I'm gonna message Grace, and then Grace and I are gonna head to the gym. We're gonna train back and buys. Pretty excited about it. I took Saturday and Sunday off training because last week I just feel like I had a really big week of training and I'm very sore. I also went on a run last week, but that made my body so incredibly sore. So I had the weekend off and I'm feeling really refreshed, rejuvenated. That's my Monday morning update. I'm excited for this week. I feel like it's gonna be good. It'll just be interesting to see where this week takes us. We'll have to wait and see, but I'm gonna go hand in this application and then head to the gym.
Hello, Georgia speaking.
Would you like the good news or the bad news?
Bad news first.
Bad news first. Okay. The bad news is you've got a new landlord.
You'll have to excuse this awful lighting, but I was just sitting at my desk doing some work and I picked up my camera to take my SD card out so I could start editing the footage on here, and then the real estate agent from this morning called saying I got approved for my house. Which I just feel like happened so quickly. I'm so excited. I am just like, okay, it's time to like get going now. I told him that I would pick up my keys on the 12th. Like I told him I'd be ready to move, which is next Monday. I don't know like if I'll move as soon as I get the keys. I'll have to talk to Alex and see, because it depends what his plan and timing is like. I also booked in my old car to get a service next Tuesday before we sell it. And I also booked in my new car to get a tint next Wednesday. So it's gonna be a big week next week, isn't it? Oh, and I turn 23 next week. It is my birthday next Thursday. So for now, I'm gonna stop working, stop stressing, and I'm gonna go to my family's house for dinner. This is my outfit. It's a track set from White Fox Boutique. I'm obsessed, but we're gonna go eat dinner and I will probably just pick up my camera again tomorrow. just finished having dinner, tidying up, chilling out on the couch, and I'm gonna have some moon milk before I head to bed. You're really gonna have to ignore my kitchen lighting. It is the worst thing ever. That hopefully will be changing when I move fairly soon. I actually just finished off one of my little moon milk, but I just got a big hefty 400 gram tub of it. Are you kidding? This makes me so extremely happy. And it's so full. We love to see it. I'm gonna get my Naked Harvest mug as well. Put the kettle on. I did also want to thank Naked Harvest for sponsoring this vlog. If for some reason you've never heard of moon milk before, it's basically a hot chocolate powder that you have before bed. Moon milk is vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, and doesn't contain any artificial sweeteners. So I'm gonna put 4 little leveled teaspoons of this into my cup. I'm actually really sore from my lower body session today, so the magnesium and zinc in this is going to be game-changing. Very excited. My calves are very sore, and sore calves just hit so different. I've got my moon milk. I'm gonna pour some hot water in there, probably like half full, and then I do the other half with cold milk. Cold frothed milk is also a vibe, but I'm honestly too lazy tonight and can't be bothered dirtying another cup. But here she is. She's honestly stunning. I do have a discount code with Naked Harvest. It is LOVEGR, and that will save you 15% off, I believe. If you want to pick up moon milk or anything else from their website, I'll have a link in my description box as well. Yes. Also, let's take a second for my outfit tonight. Shorts and jumper from Gymshark. And the best part, fluffy socks and slippers. Cheers to that.
Happy Wednesday. It is currently almost 1 p.m. and I just went out for breakfast with my friend Kate. Kate and I could honestly sit in a cafe and talk all day if we had the time. I got eggs on toast with avo and you just can't go wrong. It was so yum. And the cafe that we went to, their cappuccinos, they put actual chocolate flakes on top instead of just chocolate powder. 10 out of 10. It was so good. Got there at 9, left at 1. But I'm actually heading straight to the gym now. Grace and I are meeting at 1:30 and we're gonna train chest, shoulders and tries. I'm actually wearing a sports bra under this jumper and I'm wearing bike shorts under my jeans. So I'm just gonna take that off, take my makeup off, ready to train. I'm wearing some new Gymshark shorts that are launching tomorrow. So I'm gonna post a couple of Instagram stories today of me in the gym wearing the shorts so you guys can know what's launching. I actually really love them. They're called the Apex range. Obviously this vlog is up a whole week later than the launch, so I don't know what the stock and availability is going to be like, but I always have my Gymshark link in my description box if you are interested. But I really love them. They're just purple bike shorts and they have really cool prints on them and they're so comfy. I would say they're up there with Vital Seamless, but I would probably say comfier and a little bit more flattering, I would say. I'm a big fan. We're gonna go to the gym and have a great session. Morning friends, happy Thursday. I can't believe that it is Thursday. Like this week has gone way too fast. It is so cold today.
Temperature for today will be 19 degrees and the low will be 12.
But like surely not. Like just sitting in my house, I have leggings and a jumper on and I'm cold. I sound so ungrateful. Georgia, get over it. I'm currently getting ready for the gym. It's 12:30 right now. Grace and I are going to do an afternoon session. We are hitting legs today. I'm excited about it. This is my fit before I put my oversized tee on. These Vital Seamless shorts, these are the original, not the 2.0. And I love them. They're my favorites. I just come back to them constantly. This sports bra is like the perfect color match to go with this shirt. I also never wear this just on its own because I feel like it's too close to my skin tone. I feel like lately I've been less into matching sets and more into oversized tees. I just feel like a buff gym girl when I wear bike shorts and oversized tees. Is that what I am? I don't know. Lol at me complaining about the cold and then deciding to wear shorts to the gym. Classic. I have one pair of these socks left until I do my washing. I also freshly washed my Converse. They're looking pretty fun, fresh. I get questions every time I wear Converse to the gym, which is every time I go to the gym, asking why I don't wear like running shoes to the gym. And I'm not an expert, but I prefer wearing flat shoes in the gym because it helps you like distribute where you want your weight placed. So for back squats, you want the majority of your weight focused on your heels, not your toes. And flat shoes, it's way easier to do that with, whereas runners like have padding and stuff underneath the heel, so it's harder to distribute your weight there, if that makes sense. Obviously you can wear whatever shoes you want to the gym, but I get like almost hate. And I was like, can you please relax? Anyway, I'm gonna put my shoes on, chuck my hair up, and pump. Good morning friends, happy Friday. It's currently just past 12 p.m. and I just got home. This morning I had PT at 6:30. We trained back. It's a pretty good session, short, sweet, got it done. And then I came home, quickly got ready, and I went and had breakfast with one of my friends, Dana. We used to work at the coffee shop together and we've both left since then and are both working in jobs that we enjoy much, much more. And it's so good to see her. Work friends just hit so different. And I don't have work friends in this job really, so I really love that. I dropped her home and now I am home and I have so much to do. I'm a little bit overwhelmed because when I was driving to Dana's house, I got a call from a removalist company that I asked for a quote for yesterday. I inquired with 3 different moving companies and this is the only one that got back to me like very quickly, and the phone call was just very easy, very smooth, gave me my quote over the phone. I meant to get my keys on Monday and I booked the removalist for Tuesday, which like at the time I was like, yeah, easy. And now I'm like, it's Friday today. That's Saturday, Sunday, Monday to pack up my whole entire house. And like it's doable. And like I don't have many plans this weekend, but oh my goodness, I have so much to do. So that means I only have a few nights sleeping in this house. That means I'm gonna be sleeping in my new house on my birthday. There is just so much going through my head right now, but I need to send off a part of my vlog for approval today. So that is my main job right now. I'm gonna get that done. And then I actually have to print off my tenancy agreement and sign it and take it into the office, which is kind of frustrating. Like I wish I could just sign it electronically. I don't know, next week's gonna be moving vlog. How fun and exciting. And the end of this vlog will just be me packing up my whole house, I guess. I don't know, I obviously knew that it was gonna be happening sometime soon, but I think I might have like put it a bit too soon. Like I probably should have hired the removalist the week after next, but it's fine. You're gonna have to ignore this lighting. I've just pulled up at soccer. Happy Saturday. It's 12:30 and my soccer game's at 1, so I'm gonna go chuck my boots on, warm up with my team. The weather today is stunning. Queensland winter is just my favorite. I will never get over it. We're 4th on the ladder and we're versing 5th on the ladder today, so eek! I feel like it's gonna be a tight game, but hopefully we come away with a win. And I think some of my family's coming to watch me play, so that'll be fun.
That's the George Richards right there. Oh, I got it. There she is. He's a bit of a strange fellow. The Georgia Richards for a throw-in. No, the chair fell down. Well, we can't see anything over here, folks. Come on, George. Run a little harder. Good. Quit your whining. Go on. Elbow in the back of the head.
I am exhausted. I also thought it was like 8 p.m. and I was like, why am I so tired? And then I looked at my phone and it's 9:30, which is not late, but for me, it really is. I spent the afternoon after soccer editing. I sent a vlog away for approval and then I just spent the rest of the night packing, which honestly has made me feel a lot better. I've just been feeling very flustered today. There's obviously a lot going on and a lot to do and a very short amount of time to get things done in. But obviously like doing things means there's less to do, which means I'm less stressed. My bathroom is all packed up. My office is pretty much done as well. My wardrobe in my bedroom's done. My Polaroid's off my wall, which just feels so weird. Like this room feels empty without them sitting up there. And it was also just like kind of sad. I've had like 3 breakdowns today and I like am so confused with how I feel. I think I'm just trying to comprehend everything that's happening and in trying to comprehend it, I'm just getting emotional. But even just taking all of the Polaroids off my wall, oh my gosh, there were Polaroids from like every single house that I've lived in on that wall, and I'm just excited for the future, but also just so, I don't want to use the word scared, but like it's just so unknown. I just feel like there's a sense of security with living with other people that I'm not gonna have obviously, but I know that moving is the right thing for me right now, and I know I'm gonna thrive, but I also know that there's gonna be hard times just like anything in life. But I feel like it's just kind of hit me today that like this is one of my last nights in this house. Like I don't know why I'm so emotional. I'm also just tired, so just completely ignore me. I'm gonna go to bed, wake up tomorrow, and all I'm just gonna do tomorrow is pack. I'm moving. What the heck am I doing? Hello friends, happy Sunday. It's currently 12 and I just cooked up some lunch. I was so close to getting takeout because I've honestly just been so off track with my nutrition lately. I decided to stop being a sook and cook lunch at home. So I just have, literally it's so simple. It's just pasta, chicken, pasta sauce, and frozen peas, corn and carrot. Literally like so boring, but tastes so good. I'm gonna eat this and then continue packing. I'm honestly pretty stoked with the amount of progress I've made. In saying that, I still have so much to do. I've done my pantry, the cupboard above the fridge. I think I was just mainly stressed about the pantry because like I knew I had to declutter and get rid of a bunch of stuff. It's also just made me realize that I really need to be more careful with what I'm buying and not buying things until I've already eaten other things in my pantry and my fridge. Bit of a wake up call, so it was good to realize that. But I have all of my cupboards with my plates, my bowls, and like protein shakers and water bottles and stuff. I know I'm gonna declutter that as well. I've got 2 boxes ready to go to a Lifeline or an op shop. So feeling good about that. My living room and kitchen looks like a bomb has hit it. Alex is actually away camping with his friends at the moment. So when he comes home today, he's gonna be like, what the heck is happening? I've also been getting lots of questions about what Alex is doing when I move. His plan was to find a housemate and stay in this house, but this house is actually going on the market. So I was originally just not going to renew the lease, whereas now our real estate actually isn't renewing the lease, which is obviously fine, like not the end of the world, but Alex has made a decision to move back home while I move into my new place. That's that. I'm gonna eat lunch, keep packing. This is all too crazy for me to comprehend.